वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमथनाय नमः सर्वगुणतमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः सत्योजातं प्रपद्यामि सत्योजाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनादि भवे भवस्वमान् भवोद्भवाय नमः हरिः ओम्
Om Sri Sai Ram. Sir, I thank at this moment. I thank you, Tarakesh.
Camera.
I thank our beloved and respected Secretary, Sri Ashok Kumar Muntraji, respected Principal Captain Dr. S. Santosh Babu Sir, our Principal, respected Thiru Satyanarayana N. Mandram, and respected and beloved HOD Professor S. Sheshadrinathan Sir, Department of Commerce, Shift 2, beloved colleague of teaching fraternity of our Commerce Department, Shift 2, and my dear friends, students of Commerce Department, warm welcome to everyone. I, Dr. P. Satyanarayanan from Postgraduate Department of Commerce, welcome you all to the webinar on financial literacy and freedom, on which is going to be held today through online platform. I will be your host today, and I once again welcome Thiru Satyanarayana N. Mandram to start his valuable session. Before starting his session, I would like to give a brief profile about his achievements and history and employment particulars of the great Satya alias Satya Narayan N. Mandram. Satyanarayana N. Mandram completed his MCom MPhil from DG Vaishnav College in the same year 82 to 88, and he has completed his Executive General Management program from Bangalore, that is IIM Bangalore. Subsequently, after that, he has completed his CFP, Certificate of Financial Planning, from Standard Board of India. And then he has served more than 25 years of experience in international and domestic public and banking companies in operation, compliance, administration, and private banking. Initially, he has started his employment as Professor of Commerce part-time from DG Vaishnav College, Chennai, in the year 1989 and 90. And then subsequently, he has joined with Merrill Lynch International Bank Limited, Bahrain, during the year 1993-2004. And he has worked as Vice President, Administration, Compliance, and MLRO, that is Money Laundering Reporting Officer. Then after that employment, he joined with Edelweiss Capital in the year 2005-07. He worked as branch head in the Chennai branch from Tamil Nadu. After that, he has been placed in DSP Merrill Lynch Bank of America, Chennai, during the year 2007-08 as Vice President Investments and Private Banking. Then at present, he has immensely gained profounded depth and knowledge in the field of finance, and he has nurtured the knowledge as well as the various techniques, various tools, and various key areas. And then he became partner in Sri Krishna Capital, Chennai since 2009, and dealing with mutual fund distributors and its products. As far as training and program attended by him is concerned, he has attended admin managers training at ML London in 2001. Then fraud control AML IFLEX London in the year 2002. Then anti-money laundering BMA Bahrain he has attended in the year 2002. Then managerial excellence in the Manford Alliance Mumbai in the year 2005. And then he was managing family business in ISB, that is International School of Business, Hyderabad in the year 2017. Then EEP Behavioral Finance IIM Ahmedabad in the year 2017. Finally, client centricity and negotiation strategy he has finished in the ISB Hyderabad in the year 2018. He was certified by, that is, New York Stock Exchanges, NASDAQ for Series 7, 9 and 10, NISM Series, XB, Investment Advisor Level 2 since March 2017 till 2020. He has given various lectures and seminars since 2009, provided guest lectures at RBI Chennai University and colleges situated in Tamil Nadu. Registration certificate is concerned, he has alumni IIM Bangalore, basically membership, ISB Hyderabad, and National Institute of Securities Markets, NISM, and Association of Mutual Funds in India since 2004. Mutual Fund Distributors, Madras Management Association, and Chartered Accountants Study Circles, Chennai. Now, I call upon Mr. Satyanarayana N. Mandram to take up the session. Welcome, Mr. Satyanarayana.
Thank you very much. Very good afternoon. It will be after a lunch, that too in a Saturday. Those who assembled here, those who are planning for it, really it is very divine. And sacrificing a Saturday, that too after a meal, I know the difficulties. I will try to, enrich as much as possible so that there is a takeaway in next 90 minutes. The main purpose of this session, when Dr. Satyanarayan asked me about the financial program, I told him, financial literacy is very important. The reason being, it is very important, like, today water and air is also sold. Earlier, education and medicine, which is not a business. Suppose somebody wanted to learn anything, which is free. Whatever possible, we try to give dakshana, guru dakshana. That is what ancient days they used to do. Even Vaidya also the same thing. If anybody falling sick or fell sick, what will happen? Doctor will come, Vaidya will come, they will give the medicine. He will accept whatever that the patient is giving. Today, everything is changed. Even we have to buy water. So what is the future for next? Maybe you are all like maybe 17 years, 16 years or 18 years. What is there for next 50, 60 years? How it is going to turn out? No one knows. Even when I was going to school or college, we used to drink the water what is available, in the pot or whatever in the water tank. We used to directly take. Now situation is everything is changed, different because of the perception what we see. So how to handle all those challenges? Even for water and air, we have to pay money. Then what about all other things? Because these two things are important. So that is the main reason is the financial literacy and the freedom. First is the literacy, what we have to do. We have to do what our ancestors did, maybe 100 years before what our ancestors did, that we have to do for the financial literacy. And the freedom will come automatically. This is the same what I'm going to go through after getting all the international and domestic experiences. So before going to the PowerPoint, I will just share with you, being the financial literacy program, I will mostly focusing into mutual funds here. And the last 15 minutes, probably around 3:20 to 3:30, probably 3:10 to 3:20, I will allow it for Q&A. You can ask questions. You can, in the chat box, you can put it. Somebody will moderate, or I can read it out, or you can ask questions. Absolutely no problem. Just I will open a Excel sheet. So I don't want to bore with the presentation. Presentation will come later. So initially I want to, as a knowledge session, what I want to share with you, what is exactly it is required for the learning purpose. Is it visible? Can you see the Excel?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you take any company or any bank, maybe State Bank of India or Reliance Industries. Here, first disclaimer is here. It is 100% education program. Every single investment is subject to market risk. Whether you are investing in gold, investing in share market, investing in mutual funds, investing in land or apartment, or even investing in education. The education is an investment. We don't know what is the royalty we are going to get, how we are going to use it. So no one knows, after completing CA, whether all are getting the same practice, same salary. No one knows. Whether all are employed, no one knows. Expectation that something we are going to get. So all are subject to market risk. The first disclaimer will be there. Normally I put all investments are subject to market risk. Whether we will make what they made, what my grandmother made, what my grandfather made, will I make same thing? We don't know. Whether we make, we don't make, we don't know. But the faith is that we will make better. Definitely we will make. So assume if any company, they wanted to raise capital, whether State Bank of India or Reliance Industries, there is only two ways to get the capital. I can put my own company and start Satyanarayana Limited, or DJ Vaishnava Limited, or Reliance Industries Limited, or SBI Limited. So I can put my own company money, my own money, I can start. That is the, normally we say equity share capital. It could be owned or public. Only two things are available. I can put my own money or public money. Otherwise, borrowed money. That is like bonds and debentures, what you study in the market. It is like public only. If you are borrowing, means you are borrowing from the company or borrowing from the public. For any company or any bank, for any individual to do the business, only two ways available for raising the capital. One is the equity capital or borrowed capital. Suppose if the promoters are having more than, they can't have more than, they can have only 75%. They can have only, promoters can have only 75% maximum, and others can have 25%. If they have more than 51%, they are having the controlling stake. That is number one for the equity. So what they get, if the equity shareholder, if you are investing, you get the profits and gains or losses. This is what they get. Any gains or profits or losses, the owner of the company will get. The borrowed money, they get fixed rate of return. They call interest or coupon, whatever, they various forms are there. Other than these two things, nothing available in the world. But whatever we see in the market, it is all are bundled in a different forms. So for the investment world, what is available? Like you can have the cash or currency with you, deposits, gold, land, flat. Maybe I can put in the gold metals, also gold / metals I will put. Addition to this, what is available capital market? Art, antiques. Antiques means, Gandhiji Sheshma sold for some 15 lakh rupee. 15 lakh rupees somebody bought. Like recently Modi's quote, they were talking about 10 lakhs he spent, 15 lakhs he spent, somebody bought for 4 crores. So these are all the antique piece. Some Tipu Sultan a ring, it sold for some 600,000 pounds 7 years before. So these are all the antiques. Maybe that it is worth only for some few thousand rupees or few lakh rupees. Somebody is ready to buy for few crores antiques. Art, maybe, M.F. Hussain painting or Ravi Verma, all these paintings sold for millions of rupees. Other than this, nothing available in the world. Only these are all available. But whenever it is coming to capital market, you have equity, you have bond, you have gold, everything in the capital market available. Even REITs are available now. Slowly, like what America is having, the same thing we are getting here also. So I wanted to touch upon this. You people know what is gold, you know what is bank deposit, you know what is cash, land also you know, flat you know, antiques and art you will come to know. So I want to talk about this area only, capital market only. Within that capital market, suppose if I invest directly, suppose I know I am the expert in the market, I know SBI is very good, HDFC very good, Reliance Industries is very good, I can buy directly. I know these companies are doing well, I can buy whatever showing in the market. Since there is no need to go through the mutual fund, already I'm expert in the equity market, I can buy and sell these companies. So I'm buying these companies, investing, I get the dividend because they're getting the profit. Suppose if I put it in SBI fixed deposit, I will get roughly today 5% or 5.25% as a income, and tax will be there. Any taxes. So if I'm investing directly in the equity, I get share of profit if it is available. Otherwise, I will not get anything. And the share prices, it is dynamically traded in the market as per the market participants purchase and sell. But whereas come to fixed deposit, if I put the 1 year or 3 year or 5 year or 10 year, whatever period, so my money is with me, I will not make anything. Only my 10,000 is my packet, I will not get anything. I believe State Bank of India, I am taking some risk, I will give it to them, I make 5%. Because of taking that risk, SBI is giving me 5%. If I give to some company deposit, I am taking more risk. Maybe company will give you they may give you 8% or whatever it is, some company deposit, because money is with me, I don't get anything. I believe SBI, I get 5% because I feel lesser risk. If I go to some private company, maybe ABC Limited or Sriram Transport Finance or Sundaram Finance or Tata Finance or Sharada Chit Fund, I don't know. Some company are going, they're giving you 8%. So whenever there is a risk, the return will go up. You are taking more risk. Same thing like equity also. When you are giving in equity, same thing, equity also, more risk, more return. Land also, more risk, more return. So how it happens? Suppose it's the first thing company has to form, all this company law board, everything will be there, Companies Act, everything. Under the Ministry of Finance, you can see, revenue department is there. Under the revenue, various things are coming. Capital market is coming, RBI is coming, RBI, SEBI, everything comes, AMFI, everything, clearing corporation, everything coming under Ministry of Finance and the revenue department, all these things are coming. So what is their duty? Suppose as a customer, Mr. I can say Ram or Lakshman or anyone, or maybe, Jesus. He wanted to buy something. He wanted to buy some share. He is expert. They know everything. But they can go buy directly the shares. So directly they can buy the equity shares. They are buying on their own risk. They are buying. Whoever it is, they are buying. Suppose they don't know which one to buy, they will go for advisors. So advisor will get a fee. In mutual fund also, in mutual fund there are equity funds available. In mutual fund, bond funds available. In mutual funds, equity and bond available. And mutual fund, bond and equity available. I will tell you what is the difference between. Here it is equity and bond means minimum 65% will be in equity. In bond means maximum equity will be 30%. Suppose if you are buying equity fund means like 100% equity. Bond means 100% bond. So this is a equity fund, bond fund, equity and hybrid, that is called hybrid funds. Bond and equity, where the equity will be lesser, bond will be more. So here bond will be more and equity will be maximum 30%. So what will happen? I want to take bond fund will give you 5%, equity may give you more than 5%. That is expectation. That's the reason I'm going to equity. Why to put it in equity fund where bond funds is giving, safer fund is giving 5%, expectation is more, gold is also giving more. So if the mutual funds, what we have to do? We have to register with AMFI, Association of the Mutual Funds in India, any mutual fund. For example, if HDFC equity fund, before starting, they have to go to HDFC, the sponsor. HDFC Bank will be the sponsor, and they will have HDFC trustees will be there, and HDFC mutual fund will be there. Hope you are all following. Maybe if you are recording, you can record. All our public information only, whatever there in the system, I am disclosing it. So under the AMFI, you have HDFC Bank will be the sponsor, and HDFC will have trustees. They will manage this, and HDFC Mutual Fund will be there. That is a company which is running the schemes. And they may have HDFC Equity Fund today, which is called the Flexi Cap Fund. All are examples. I'm not quoting anything for purchase or sale. It is just the education session. So they wanted to start a new fund, HDFC Flexi Cap. They have to appoint a fund manager. So fund manager will be there. Probably Prashant Jain is the fund manager, or you could be the tomorrow fund manager. He will be supported by the research desk. The research may have IIM or a chartered accountant or engineers or commerce graduates. Everybody will be there. Those who wanted to get in, they will get in there. So fund manager duty to give the return to the investor, return in a reasonable manner. Reasonable he has to give. That is the main duty. If he is not giving the return, investor will go away. Who are all the investors here? Investors are called unit holders. Like in equity, we say shareholders. Here, unity holders. Here, the share prices they will say. Here, they say net asset value. Net asset value means, for example, assume one fund is having, like HDFC Flexi Cap, has only 5 schemes, like SBI, HDFC Bank, or maybe ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries, HUL. Assume only 5 funds are there. We don't know this company to buy, but they will buy for you. But they can have maximum, some ceilings are there, that is not required. That you can refer in amphiindia.com. Here they are investing, like for example, 1,000 rupees. Here also they are investing 1,000 rupees. Here also assume even weightage 1,000. Day one they invested, or maybe 5,000 rupees they invested. What will happen? The day one NAV will be 10 rupee. The first day NAV will be 10 rupee. So how many units are allotted now? It is 500 units. They allotted first day, they allotted 500 units. So first day 500 units, maybe 500 people bought or 10 people bought, which is running into 20,000 crores that asset is having. That NAV of the HDFC top 100 or any fund like Mirae or Kotak Flexi Cap, 20,000 plus crores. So assume first day they started, they have 5,000 crore. Out of 5,000 crore, they allotted 1,000 allotted crores. And NAV is 10 rupee. Look, 500 crore units they allotted. So it is, per unit is 10 rupee. Suppose, assume no purchase sale is happening. No purchase, no sale is happening. Assume market went up double. Assumption market went up double. Then what will happen now? This will become 10,000. And what is the value will happen here? Market price went up. The NAV today is 20 rupee. This is every day it is traded as per the price of the shares. If 1,000 becomes 2,000, this will become 500. Assume this becomes next day You invested 1000, it becomes 800. This becomes 1100, and this becomes 1200. This becomes 500, and this becomes 200. Then what is happening? NAV becomes 7.6. You will say I bought 10 rupee today, which is 7.6. This is called NAV movement in the market. This is what every day you see that in the paper, or probably in the Amphi India website, or maybe in the media. This is what they call net asset value, which is moved as per the share prices. These are all the share prices. 1000 rupees become 2000, 2000 become 800, like 800 crores or 1000 crores, whatever it is, just for education. So what to do? In mutual funds, many funds are available. Equity funds. In equity funds, large cap fund, mid cap fund, small cap fund, flexi cap, multi cap, like this many funds are available. Dividend yield, ELSS, equity liquid savings scheme for the tax saver, like many schemes are available. What is large cap fund? Large cap fund is between 1 to 100. Top 100 companies. If you go to see what is the top 100 companies in Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange, these 100 companies contribute nearly 75% of the total India. Mid cap is 101 to 250. Others. Small cap will be others. The first 100 company will be the large cap. 101 to 250 will be the mid cap. Small cap will be the balance. The flexi cap, any cap they can invest without anything. Multi cap means 25% each in large, mid and small. They have to have minimum 25% in large cap, minimum 25% mid cap, minimum 25% small cap, that is multi cap, dividend yield fund, tax saver fund. So these are all the varieties of funds available. Which fund to suit? Because we have more than 40 asset management companies. Asset management companies means AMCs they call. These mutual fund offices are also called asset management companies. HDFC Asset Management Company. They are running these schemes. So which fund to select? If somebody knows, suppose some say, sir, I studied BCom, I know. I am chartered accountant, I know. So the platform available, there are two NAVs. Two NAVs available. One is direct, other one is regular. Direct means those who have knowledge, they can invest directly without any MFDs. We are like mutual fund distributors or anyone. Without mutual fund, Trista Capital is a mutual fund distributor. Without us, they can invest directly. Suppose they know, probably it is not the knowledge what I possess. I wanted to invest through someone, they can guide me. So they invest through MFDs. So what will happen? Here the expense ratio, assume it is 1% here. Here the expense ratio for equity fund, here the expense ratio will be more because there is intermediaries involved, maybe 1.9% or 2%. For knowledge sake, we can put 2%. So out of this 2%, 1% will be given to MFD, 1% will be taken by the mutual funds, those who are running. If it is a bond fund, like a short-term funds, short-term bond fund, probably they charge you 1%. Here they charge 0.6%. Here they charge 1%. Out of this 1%, they pay 40 paise to the distributor. Suppose those who have knowledge, they can go directly. Those who want to work through mutual fund distributors, they come through us. So these are all available for this. So where to invest? How it is happening? This is the main thing. Now I will go to that presentation. Can you see the presentation, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Satya.
Again, I will toggle to Excel so that you know the education session is better with Excel. That's the reason.
Exactly.
So financial literacy, freedom, and this we discussed. My path and my story. Actually, myself, he said many things, which is actually after joining the college or something. I will tell you, I could not pay my college fees. I can't pay my school fees. I studied on my own. I lost my daughter at the age of, the father at the age of 4. I was studied from corporation school until 8th. 9th, I went to my aunt's house. And then +1, +2 in Hindu Theological School and the college in Vaishnava, BCom, MCom, MPhil, everything in Vaishnava. Vaishnava gave me scholarship. I'm fortunate, very, very fortunate. And I got the appointment as a part-time lecturer also. I worked there. I bought only one book, that is English book. I was very weak in English because, wrongly, I don't know, I feel it is wrongly our country said, if we speak in English, I'm educated. That is a perception. Those who have rich money, those who have money, they are all successful, which is 100% wrong notion. Language is nothing to do with the knowledge. Language is separate, knowledge is separate. Language is only the medium. It can be Tamil, it can be Telugu, it can be Sanskrit, it can be Hindi, it can be English. But what we are preaching, or what we preached for last 100 years in India, or maybe 80 years in India, English is must. English is, we can't speak English means I'm illiterate. That is a message what we gave to our generations, which is 100% wrong. We have to respect the knowledge and the quality and the character. That is very important. So I was working from the age of 13. I was working for a doctor. I was a cleaning. I also compounder, and those doctors are my customers now. That is a relation I'm holding, because ethical standard is very, very important. Character is important. And he is my client. His wife is my client. His brother-in-law, his daughter, everybody is my client. How it is possible? Only we have to be very good, and we have to increase our knowledge also. Knowledge, education, Now I'm slowly studying Sanskrit. I have the interest to study Sanskrit, I'm studying. So why I say this to you, education is not stopped with MBA or MCOM or doctor or anything. Knowledge is every day we have to gain. I'm learning every day, every minute I'm learning. While talking to you, I will be learning. While maybe in the Q&A, I'm also learning every day. So that is very, very important. Because Asha, desire is very, very important. If we don't have the desire, we are not humans. Humans should have the desire for the next. Next means I'm not telling the money. I'm telling what I'm going to do next. Am I going to do charity? I want to make money to help myself. I can help my father, mother, all those things. You are all lucky. Your parents are making you the payment for the college fees and everything. You're all lucky. Another very important thing, I don't like the word like free. இலவசம் எனக்கு பிடிக்காத வார்த்தை வந்து இலவசம். எதுவுமே இலவசமா யாரையுமே கேட்காதீங்க. Being you are a student, other than education, ask anyone. You can call me, sir, can you take lecture for some people? I'm ready to do that. So you can ask education for free. Other than education, don't ask anything free, which is dangerous, which is a disease. Free is a disease. It is a disease, I will tell you. Because if you know how to fish, which is important than somebody giving you the fish. So that is very important. So after completion, Professor Santanam in the last MCOM class, he told everyone, after completion of this, I'm requesting everybody to try IIM Ahmedabad. That is the message he told me. Last class he told me. That was sitting in my mind, but I was not having money. Money is important. So even my school fee, somebody paid. I was not having money, but if not possible, try MPhil. So I applied MPhil. I stood first in the college, Vaishnava College, MPhil also, and I worked there also. That is where it started. Now I'm slowly learning Sanskrit also. Jalapinda nipedana kramashakha puriyata gataha tatahi sarva vidyanam karmascha dhanascha. Knowledge, dharma, and wealth, all these three things. It is not a 1 day, 1 week, 10 days. It is until our last breath. You will be gaining every day. Dharma, I will do only today good thing. Tomorrow I will not do. Not like that. Every dharma, whatever I am doing, my karyam, which is counted. Somebody is counting. Whatever you do, it is counted. Every good thing you are doing, you will get good thing back. If I do good thing to others, I will get the good thing back. God will show you the path, clean path for you once you started to do the good thing. Knowledge is separate. Nobody wants PhD. Everybody wants good people. Character is good. Ethical is good. Everything is good. Then only you will get the respect. Very, very important. All MBAs are not respected. All doctors are not respected. All lawyers are not respected. Only good lawyers, good chartered accountants, good professors. Only these people are respected in the world. If you plan is for 1 year, plant rice or wheat or corn. You get wheat in 6 months or 3 months, rice and all. If your plan is above 10 years, plant trees and plant those things. If the plan is above 100 years, share your knowledge. Whatever you have knowledge, you share it. That I'm doing from my 12th standard. After my schooling, I will go and teach. that continues. All these good deeds, whatever it did, it is coming back to me. It will come back 100%. So same thing, whatever you have knowledge, you can, even we can't give money. If I have money, I can give. I don't have money, I have knowledge. If I sharing the knowledge, it multiplies. So whatever you know, accounting or anything, you can share it to others. You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stones at every dog that barks. Somebody wanted to do engineering, you wanted to do engineering, you wanted to do CA, you wanted to do lawyer. No, adu pannada, idu pannada, adu nalla irukka, this is not good. These things will be there always. You wanted to do something, someone will say don't do. Chase your passion. Tell your parents, this is my passion, I want to chase the passion. But not at the cost of your father or mother or others. You have to take care of yourself, because Bhagwan namalukku kai kuduthirukar, kannu kuduthirukar, ellame kuduthirukar. We are all fortunate. Idukku mela kadavul kitta nama edavadhu edirpaathamna perasan na solluven ellarkittiyum. Kadavul ellame namalukku kuduthirukar, kannu kuduthirukar, kaadu ellam kuduthirukar. But you have to follow your own instinct, not others' instinct. It is your instinct, but how deep into it, that is very important. If you have the faith, you have to work with that faith. Faith only will take care of you. Know your need. What is your need? Maybe, for example, you want to complete the college degree or whatever it is with some levels. Know your product, what you want to invest. If you are before investing, education is the same thing. Where you are investing, whether it is gold, silver, time horizon, college will take 3 years. If you want to put it a bank, FD will be minimum 45 days or 90 days, otherwise savings account. Time horizon is important. College degree is 3 years. If you want to do degree with law, will be 5 years. Engineering with law will be 6 years. You want to do MD, it will take 3 years MD and 5.5 years MBBS. So time horizon is very important, not only for education, even for the finance also. Before investment, this is, I want to plan a T code, I want the return after 40 years. But for everything important is a trusted person is very important. Insurance is compulsory. Insure, which is it is not an option. Investment is option, but insurance is compulsory. Take a term insurance. As soon as you get your employment, take a term insurance. For 1 crore, it will be charge you 7,000-8,000 rupees, and medical policies. Conviction before you invest. Gold is a conviction. You invest and you will not sell, because gold will give you return. Investments only in your name, not invest in tax save பண்றதுக்கோசரம் wife பேர்ல போடுறேன், அம்மா பேர்ல போடுறேன், அப்பா பேர்ல, உங்க பணம் உங்க பேர்ல போட்டுக்கோங்க. You have to invest the money in your name. आपका पैसा आपका नाम इन्वेस्ट करने का है. Nomination is compulsory. Before you sign the application form, ensure the nomination is filled. Because in urgency, you will sign and you will give, nomination and not be there. It is your duty to put the nomination. Discipline for wealth and health. Health, happiness, knowledge forever, relationship forever, discipline forever, desire forever, love forever. In the desire illana life கிடையாது நமக்கு. Desire is very important. கல்யாணம் பண்ணவர் குழந்தை வேணும், குழந்தை அப்புறம் குழந்தை படிக்கணும், குழந்தை படிச்ச அப்புறம் ஸ்கூல் போகணும், ஸ்கூல் போன அப்புறம் கல்யாணம் பண்ணணும், திருப்பி குழந்தை வரணும், பேராகணும், பேத்தி ஆகணும். This is the desire. In the desire illana, we are not humans, we will become sannyasis. பேராசை இருக்கக்கூடாது. We should not have the greed. Greed is the killing factor for anything. என்னால என்ன முடியும்? Not to expect only from you, not from others. Don't expect anything from your father, anything from your father, anything from your guru, anything from the society. You expect only from you. These 3 people, Mata, Pita, Guru, will do their duty to you, and what you have to do, you have to expect only from you what you learn from these 3 people. That is very, if you stop the expectations, you will become very happy. அக்காக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, எனக்கு கொடுக்கல, அக்கா அப்பா கொடுத்திருக்கா, எனக்கு கொடுக்கல, அம்மா அண்ணாக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. These things will be there always. Just what you will get, you will get. பகவான் கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறது யாராலையும் தடுக்க முடியாது. Nobody can stop. If you have to get, கடவுள் கொடுத்துருவார் உங்க கையில. I never thought that I will buy a BMW. I never thought I will buy a flat. எனக்கு சைக்கிள் கூட வாங்க முடியுமே தெரியாது. சத்தியமா தர்மமா இருந்தோம்னா கடவுள் கொடுப்பார், தூங்க முடியும் நம்மளால. That is very important. These are all the famous names, Boris Becker, S.S. Vasan, Hangal, Raj Kapoor, Vasan. You see Margaret Kidder, Natasha Lyonne. You see many names I can give you. All made the fortune. Avanga sambaricha padam, how much they made money. But while dying, they did not have what they have to have. They are all borrowed. Vasanoda other building went for auction. Can you believe Boris Becker, he was struggling for money because they have not planned how they wanted to live after their time. Time in the sense after they know fruitful time, maybe I can work up to 60, I can work up to 40, 15 இருக்கும் some people. அதுக்கப்புறம் எப்படி? I'm making money only for 5 years, 10 years, 30 years. The PF is not there, EPF is not there, maybe we will not save. Compulsorily 20% is going to PF. That is a boon for everyone. Otherwise, we don't save at all. So it is not how much we make money, how much we see, how much we save. எல்லாரும் பணம் பண்ணிருக்காங்க இங்க. But only, those who see the opportunity only, they will make money. Just go back 5 வருஷம் முன்னாடி யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. What I did at the age of 15, இது பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும். At the age of 10, நல்லா 1 hour எக்ஸ்ட்ரா படிச்சிருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும். எவ்ரிடே என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. half an hour என்ஜாய் பண்றதுக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. எவ்ரிடே being it's a age of 17 or 18, it is a age to spend for the not required area. That is what normally even I did the same thing. You will also do the same thing probably. Sorry to say that. But adukku or time 30 minutes only for enjoying, 1 hour for playing. But to think for yourself at least for 10 minutes in the morning or 5 minutes in the morning, so that you will not regret that this is the opportunity I lost. Comfort zone is disaster. Comfort zone irundhattu idu podum nenacha adha mudinju poidudhu. We will not come up. Investment which gives returns, knowledge, health. There is like Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the book padinga. There is a book called Rich Dad and Poor Dad. One person is investing, one person is saving. Both are different. Buying vehicle, paying EMI, all these things are, if you are not getting any return, these are all not investments. If you are investing in home, you are getting rental income, it is an investment. If your gold is going up, investment. If you are putting in mutual funds, equity, bond fund, it is an investment. But what? எதுக்கு EMI எல்லாம் கொடுக்கல இன்னைக்கு? மொபைல் போனுக்கு EMI. If you Skype for 4,000 rupees ஏதாவது கார்டுல வாங்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, you will get 4 phone calls from the bankers. நீங்க EMI ல பே பண்றீங்களா? நம்மளும் ஓகேன்னு சொல்லிடுவோம். But you are paying nearly 2 to 3% every month. You have to be very careful. கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க இன்னைக்கு, கடன் வாங்கி கல்யாணம். அப்பதான் கடன் வாங்கி கல்யாணம் பண்ணுவாங்க. இன்னைக்கு பசங்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க கடன் வாங்கி. Even child birth, they are borrowing money for child birth. Fertility test, expensive, becoming expensive because of our thinking. That is very, very important. This is for taxation. This is useful for being a commerce graduates. Short-term capital gain less than 1 year, more than 1 year's long-term, which is taxed at 10% for long-term. Short-term is 15%. Bond fund less than 3 years, added with the income, more than 3 years, indexed with 20%. That's a bond fund, means all the bond funds where 100% or 65% equity illadha ellame bond fund da. ATC, ATD, ATC, CD, 24 and TTA, these are all the only available tax saving tool for us. Vera onnume kediyadhu nammalukku actually. இதுக்கு மேல நம்ம ஒன்னும் பண்ணவும் வேண்டாம், இதுவே போதும். What we paid 10 லட்சம் ரூபாய் வாங்குறாங்க, எவ்வளவு டாக்ஸ் கட்டுவாங்கன்னா, even if they don't save, they pay only 1,12,000. They pay only 10% taxes if you are making 10 lakh rupee income. அவ்வளவுதான் டாக்ஸ் கட்ட போறோம் நம்ம. அதுக்கோசரம் டாக்ஸ் போச்சு அழவும் வேண்டாம். I paid 30-40 lakhs taxes. Don't worry. If you make 1 crore, you pay 30 lakhs, no problem. If you make 2 crore, you pay. On income only you pay. America போனா டாக்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம், ஆஸ்திரேலியா we pay taxes, கனடா, இந்தியால மட்டும் டாக்ஸ் பே பண்ணக்கூடாது. This is the wrong notion, 100% wrong. If you make payment, pay tax, put everything in the books, you will create wealth. Maybe for example, avoiding the unwanted expenses, maybe a phone, maybe the travel. Assume you got employment at 26. Even if you can save 80,000 only for 4 years, some selavu, unwanted selavu pandrom, travel pandrom, phone vaangrom. Assume you postpone that expenses for 4 years, you saved only for 4 years. Assume you are getting highest risk, because selavu illaya na highest risk la potittu, I invested in highest risk at the rate of 15% my expectations, which will become 4,59,000 after 4 years. After that, you are not saving anything. That 4,59,000 what you have, which will become 3 crore. Assume somebody saved every year 2 lakh rupee. This will be 8 crores, only 4 years saving. But how many people hold it for longer duration? That is the question. Change is constant. Change vandukite irukum. Nobody can stop the change. 1979, only these 4-5 companies are there today. General Motors, International Business, Merck & Company, Minnesota Mining, there is a 3M, Procter & Gamble. If you see GM and IBM, they are also no way, even though they are in the Sensex. But what is the business they do now? IBM almost like, gave most of the business. General Motor gave it to Elon Musk. This is what happened. Tesla, they are coming very strong. We never know what will happen tomorrow. Everything go away. But tomorrow, we feel we will live tomorrow. I will wake up tomorrow. I have to save something tomorrow. That's it. You live today. Enjoy today. Don't spend for unwanted things. That is my request. Unwanted and நினைச்சீங்கன்னா அது பண்ணாதீங்க. இது wanted. I like this shirt. I want to buy. Wear it. Maybe 6000 ரூபாய் ஷர்ட் வாங்கணுமோ அதுதான் யோசிக்கணும். I want to buy the best maybe available for 600 or 6000. Which one you have to decide? To create the best time. What is the best time? Nobody knows the best time. Waiting for right time. I will buy tomorrow. I will buy tomorrow. When market falls, I will buy. Market move up. When falling, it will let it fall more. So again, that is, waiting. Time in the market or timing the market. Timing the market is dangerous. Time in the market is very good. If you stayed invested for 20 years in gold, 20 years in mutual fund, 20 years in land, no one lost money. Everybody made money in land. Everybody made in mutual fund. Everybody made in gold also. But we have to there for 15, 20, 25 years to create the wealth. Short term versus long term. If anybody wanted to enjoy the short term, they are all trapped. It will give immediate return, but you will be trapped. Biases and behavior. Recency biases, overconfidence, anchoring, trend chasing, familiarity, loss aversion. What is the recency bias? Last year வெள்ளம் வந்தது, இந்த வருஷமும் வரலாம். Like Ayodhya issue நடக்கும்போது 1992 December 6th. They were expecting every 6th this will happen. Every December this will happen. Like September 11 crisis happened in World Trade Center in New York. So September 11 next year they want to be cautious. Flood வந்தாலும் அதேதான், சுனாமி வந்தாலும் அப்புறம் வரலன்னா ஒரு 10 வருஷம் வரலன்னா மறந்து போயிடும். We will forget. But in the share market, recency bias, because which is traded every day. இப்போ லாஸ்ட் 3 monthsல டபுள் ஆச்சா, நெக்ஸ்ட் 3 monthsல டபுள் ஆயிடும். விழுந்ததுன்னா that is what over confidence. It will go. வாங்கிக்கோங்க, it will double in 5 years, double in 3 months. Some people will say it will double in 10 minutes. It is your duty. It is your money. You have to check, is it possible? Talk to someone, maybe talk to your grandfather, father, mother, or trusted person. Will that happen? அம்மா கோல்டு வந்து 6 மாசத்துல டபுள் ஆகுமா? ஆயிருக்கா? அது மாதிரி எத்தனை வருஷம் ஆயிருக்கு? லேண்ட் டபுள் ஆயிருக்கா? 10 வருஷத்துல, 5 வருஷத்துல ஆயிருக்கா? இட் இஸ் யுவர் டியூட்டி டு செக் பிஃபோர் சைனிங் எனிதிங். ஸோ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் எனி ஓவர் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ். ஆங்கரிங், ட்ரெண்ட் சேசிங், தே வில் சேஸ் தட். போயிட்டே இருக்க மேல போகும்னு வாங்குவாங்க. ஃபெமிலியாரிட்டி, ஐ நோ எவ்ரிதிங், எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும், ஐ வில் பை. லாஸ் அவர்ஷன், லாஸ் வந்திருக்கும், புக் பண்ண பயப்படுவாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் ஆர் ஆல் த பிஹேவியரல் பைசஸ் which is very very carefully needs to be taken care before getting into any investments product. Apple knew in few decades it is 1 trillion, but in few years 2 trillion. It took nearly few decades. Apple வந்து 1 trillion ஆகிறதுக்கு 1 லட்சம் கோடி டாலர்ஸ், 1 lakh crore dollars, it took few decades. But the 2nd trillion happened in few years. Like Indian GDP, 1 trillion ஆகிறதுக்கு வந்து it took nearly decades. The 2nd trillion happened like this. Now 5 trillions, maybe another few more years. We never know. You will make it happen. You are all the future India. You will make it to happen. Life expectancy is increased. Imports, exports. You can see car ownership. Before buying the car, you think, is it useful for me? Before buying the bike for 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, is it useful for me? It is your duty. You have to check. Everything your duty, not your father, not your mother. உங்களோட டியூட்டி தான் நீங்க பண்ணணும். இது எனக்கு தேவையா? நான் பண்ண என் லைஃப் நல்லா இருக்குமா? This is the only thing what you have to think. हमेशा वही सोचने का आपको. Sensex, what happened in 2000? .com bust, WTC collapse in 2001 September 11, and subprime happened in 2007 December. 2008 if you see, market collapsed. This is what I'm talking, market collapsed. And quantitative easing in 2013, where the government of India bonds traded 10% negative return. China versus US trade, War happened. China, Indian market also corrected nearly. Gold also corrected. Market also corrected nearly 30-40%. And COVID also, gave more 40% corrections happened in the Bombay Stock Exchange. But where we are today, it is like 40. When I'm showing it is like a 40,000 below. Now we are 50,000 below. All these things happens. Whether the gold will become 1,000 rupees per gram, we don't know. Chances are remote. Maybe somebody bought Adambakam for 20,000 rupees per square feet in 1960. Today, Adambakam could be 1 crore. Whether it will go back to 10 lakhs? No way. Chances illa. Vellam vanda anniki pogum. Like Velacheri, when the flood came in 2015, Velacheri, people cannot sell for 1 crore. They bought for 1 crore. Maybe they have to sell for 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs because of the flood. If you go today, flood has gone. If you go today, again it will be like 80 lakhs or 1 crore. Here flood comes every day because market traded dynamically. Market is always irrational. Always. Somebody is buying, somebody is selling. Anything traded. Suppose en kaila irukku panam irukkunna, I have my rupee with me or dollar, $10 kaila irukku, $10 da. Once it is traded, 1 gram is traded, then the price fluctuates. It is applicable to equity, applicable to bonds, applicable to anything. Always market trades on future earnings. Everybody is asking, why market went up? Economy is not doing well. Everything is bad. Hotels illa, onnume illa, travel illa, nothing is there. How everything is keep moving up? Market is trading only on future earnings. Will you plant any tree or any seed thinking that last 10 years something got? We expect something in next 10 years. I will get something from the tree. Based on that, I'm going to get some benefit. Maybe fruits, maybe mango, maybe coconut. Same thing here also. Same logic applies. Always market trades on the future earnings. Everybody's prediction, especially in India, last 11 months, people are selling the mutual funds. When market corrected, every time they keep on selling. But FIAs are keep on, for FIA means foreign institutional investors. They keep on investing in India and we are all selling. So we are losing. Keep the objective, need, time, focus. Everything is important. Behavior of the investor is important. Behavior of the intermediary is important. Market behavior, nobody can predict. But investor and intermediary means we are all intermediaries. This influences more than the market because market behavior control panna mudiyadhu. These three behavior of the investor, intermediate, this we can control. How gold vaangiyachi, faith we hold pandrom. Land is there, faith we are holding it. Same thing like capital market. Before entering, buy the quality. These are all the only available. Rest everything is manufactured. This already we discussed. Assume somebody, Mr. Early and Mr. Late. Somebody is investing at the age of 25 and he can wait up to 35 years. Age up to 60, he want the money. Assume he put it in highest risk small cap or mid cap or large cap. His expectation is 15% return. He will get 33 crores for 25 lakhs. Somebody delayed for 10 years. No, I will do it later. So for example, they started at the age of 35. They were waiting for 25 years. He will get only 8 crores. So the difference is huge. Starting early is very, very important. No one told me, you have to do this way. If someone told me at your age, I will be different than today. Similarly, annually, I can put. Somebody started at age of 25, putting every year 1 lakh rupee. For 35 years, it will become 10 crore. If somebody started only at 35 after 10 years, enjoyed for 10 years for spending, today which is 2 crore. Where we have to stay? It is your thinking only. Doubt and faith. Both are status of mind. Doubt creates the darkest moments. Doubt wherever ennago, we will not do what. பீச்சுக்கு போலாமா போலாம், கால்ல தண்ணி வச்சா இழுத்துருமா அப்படின்னா பீச்ல போய் கால் வைக்க மாட்டேன் தண்ணி. That is a faith. ஒண்ணுமே ஆகாது. எவ்வளவு வைக்கலாம் அவ்வளவுதான் வைக்க முடியும். How much we can put? I want to put it in capital market. How much? I can put only 10%. How much deposits? Only 10%. How much land? Only 10. You can diversify. Asset allocations we call for that. Asset allocation means investing in cash, investing in deposits, investing in mutual funds, equity, bonds, real estate, and also in metals. Faith exists in honest doubt. இது வந்து நம்மளால பண்ண முடியுமா as a human? Is it possible for us to do this? இரண்டறிவு மூன்றறிவு ஜீவிகள் பண்ண முடியுதுன்னா the nest can be prepared by small sparrow or any other bird. Can't we do this? Maybe we underestimate. That is a problem. It is very difficult to form a nest like this. It doesn't have, hands. It does only through the mouth. Small, that's what they are doing it. It is possible. So keep the faith. You are all much, much bigger than me. Even if you compare, you are in a better environment than what we were before. I want to tell you a small story. I want to tell you who you are. நீங்கெல்லாம் யாருன்னு சொல்ல வரேன் நான். நீங்க probably the கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்பீங்க. Maybe you heard this story, small story. ஒரு ஞானி or guru or whoever you can call, maybe saint was there. He is having sishyas also. அந்த சிஷ்யாஸ் ஒரு சிஷ்யா உங்களை மாதிரி ஒருத்தர் போய் கேட்டிருக்காரு, குருவே எனக்கு வந்து என்னை பத்தி நீங்க சொல்லுங்க அப்படின்னு. I want to know about myself. Please tell me, am I worth? அப்படின்ட்டு he is asking the guru. Guru says, smiles and says, you work, you do your duty. I will tell you. The time will come. I will tell you that you do it. He is really interested to know immediately. I want to know my worth. Please tell me, Guru. This is what he is telling, or sannyasi or yogi, whoever it is. Okay, he says, okay, he takes something from the down, maybe in some small cupboard, he removes something. He gives some like this one small ஒரு கல்லை கையில கொடுத்து, இதை நீ வச்சுக்கோ, இதோட விலை எவ்வளோன்னு கேட்டுட்டு வா, விற்க கூடாது. He is telling that you are not supposed to sell, but you have to find this value of this கல், இந்த கல்லோட வேல்யூ எவ்வளோன்னு நீங்க தான் கேட்டுட்டு வரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு குரு அனுப்புறாரு. Maybe you can ask anyone, whoever you like, you can ask, but you are not supposed to sell, but you have to come back to me with this stone. You have to give me only the price what they are telling. He is walking away. போயிட்டே இருக்கும்போது ஒரு பேரிச்சம்பழம் கடை இருக்கு வழியில. அந்த காலத்துல சொல்ல பேரிச்சம்பழம் கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி அந்த கல்லை காமிக்கிறார். இந்த காமிச்சிட்டு அவர் எடுத்து வச்சுட்டு, இந்த கல்லெல்லாம் எனக்கு யூஸ் இல்லப்பா, வச்சுக்கோப்பா அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துட்றாரு. கல்லை எனக்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் கிடையாதுன்றார். வெயிட் கூட கம்மியா தான் இருக்கு, எனக்கு வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு. Maybe இன்னும் 2 பேரிச்சம்பழம் கொடுக்குறேன். I will give you 2 dates to you. Just to take away. Go away from this place. Okay, so he just walks a few more, places or streets. He finds one newspaper vendor. He is selling old paper. He sees the stone and he rotates and sees everything. என்னப்பா இந்த கல்லை வச்சு நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? Okay, வெயிட்டுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும், எனக்கு பேப்பர் வெயிட் போட்டுக்கலாம். So I can use it for weighing my machine. So I will give you 5 rupees அப்படின்றாரு. Okay, give me back my stone, I will take away. He is going to some couple of shops. Finally, he is reaching one shop where he enters that shop. It is some ஒரு ஜுவல்லரி ஷாப்ல என்டர் பண்றாரு. He is asking, இந்த கல்லை நீங்க வாங்கிப்பீங்களான்னு கேட்கிறாரு. எவ்வளவு வாங்கிப்பீங்க கேட்கிறாரு. கல்லை பார்த்த உடனே அவன் மேல கீழே, அந்த பையனை மேல கீழே பாக்குறாரு. பார்த்துட்டு you come inside அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறாரு. Just please come inside, I want to tell you. He is putting chair, he is giving water, and then he brings one cloth in his hand. He is keeping the cloth and then he's asking him to keep that stone in that cloth. After that, he takes his lens and he checks everything thoroughly. He checks with the lens and he checks, you are so young at the age of 15, 17. Who gave you this stone to you? And even if I sell my shop, I can't buy this stone. இது வந்து பொக்கிஷம், இது வந்து பெரிய பொக்கிஷம். இது யாராலையும் வாங்க முடியாது, என்னால வாங்க முடியாது. மெயினா ராஜாக்கள் தான் வாங்கினா வாங்கலாம், என்னால வாங்க முடியாது. அவங்க அப்பா கிட்ட பத்திரமா கொடுத்துருங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துறாரு. No, my teacher gave me, my guru gave me this. No, go and give it to him. This is price, இதுக்கு வந்து விலை மதிப்பு இல்லாதது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு.
இன்னொரு 10 minutes 15 minutes அவர் பேச வச்சுட்டு அப்புறம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க சார். இருங்க சார், ப்ளீஸ் பி ஆன் த லைன் சார். தேங்க்யூ ஜிஆர்கே சார், தேங்க்யூ.
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்ல இருக்காங்களா சார்?
கொஞ்சம் பேர் இவரு இது பண்ணி வச்சு. பிருத்வி, are you there? Prithvi?
Yes, sir.
You have disconnected the live YouTube.
No, sir, we can't do that, sir. After uploading, we have to edit this.
I understand.
Okay. Prithvi, உங்க ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணீங்களா நீங்க?
Yes, sir.
Okay. உங்க பசங்க வந்தா ஃபுல் ஆயிட்டு இருக்குமாப்பா?
இது நம்ம சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு ஜிஜி. இது எப்படி
சார் நம்ம
இருக்குன்னா
என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம், இல்ல நம்மளும் என்ன பண்ணிருந்தோம், நிறைய அக்ராஸ் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஹானர்ஸ்
எல்லாரையும் கூட்டு பிசிஏ
சார்
வேற
நம்ம
வரணும்.
டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லயே நிறைய பேர் இருக்கிறாங்களே நினைச்சோம். பிளஸ்
நாங்களும் அப்படிதான் நினைச்சோம். ஆமா.
நான் இது யூடியூப் லிங்க்ன்றதால பப்ளிக்கும் நிறைய பேர் பார்ப்பாங்களே சரி.
நம்ம அந்த லிங்க் நல்லா
So,
கொஞ்சம்
ஏன்
ஓரளவு
பசங்க இல்லப்பா, அந்த பசங்களோட மென்டாலிட்டி ரொம்ப மோசமா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. என்னன்னே தெரியல எனக்கு. எப்படி இருக்கு
அது
வயசு
லீவ்
இல்ல.
வேறல்ல, நேத்தோட முடிஞ்சிச்சுன்ற மாதிரி. அவங்கள பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் காலேஜ் முடிஞ்சிச்சு நேத்தோட.
ஏன் அதுங்க புத்தி இப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்குன்னு தெரியல. ரொம்ப
சரி
மோசமா
விடுங்க,
போயிட்டு இருக்கு.
விடுங்க. பப்ளிக்கா போகுது ஆன்லைன்ல.
சரி.
சரி விடுங்க. மில்லேனியல்ஸ் அண்ட் ஜெனரேஷன் கேப்.
இல்ல இவர் கட் பண்ணிட்டாரு பிருத்வி. ஆன்லைன்ல போயிட்டு இருக்கு.
இல்ல போகுது
ஆமா சார். இதான்
போயிட்டு
சொன்னாரு
இருக்கா?
அவரு. ஆமா. cannot be cut.
ஓகே ஓகே.
ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டு திருப்பி இது ரீஸ்டார்ட்லாம் பண்ண முடியாது.
ஆமா ஆமா ஆமா.
அவருக்கு ஜாயின் ஆகணும். மெயினா இந்த ஸ்பீக்கர்.
ஓ ஐ எம் சாரி. ஐயோ சத்யா, வாட் ஹேப்பன் சத்யா? என்னாச்சு சத்யக்கு? சத்யா
போன் கூட ரீச் ஆகலையா? என்ன சொல்றாரு சார்?
ரிங் ஆயிட்டு கட் ஆயிடுது. என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடுச்சு? இருங்க நான் போய் பாக்குறேன். வெளியில போயிட்டு வரேன்.
வாங்க.
இப்போ இருக்கிற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கூட கொஞ்சம் போயிடுவாங்க போல இருக்கே.
இப்போ 20 காட்டுது, 2021 தான் காட்டுது லைவ்.
எவ்வளவு நேரம் அவங்க தேல் பி வெயிட்டிங் வீட்ல.
Hello.
Hello. வந்துட்டாரு சத்யா.
Yes, sir.
Can
Welcome.
you?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We are able to
Yes,
hear.
sir. You are
We are
welcome.
here.
Welcome back, Satya. Welcome
இல்ல
back.
நடுவுல இல்ல.
Yes, sir. For the past 15 minutes, sir. Network.
15-20 minutes.
Oh, no one.
என்னாச்சு சத்யா?
Okay, fine, no problem. I think there is someone has to unmute somewhere.
Yes, sir.
ஓஹோ.
Uh,
At your end, Satya? At your
Okay.
end? Yeah, okay.
No, not my end, not my end. Okay. And now it is unmuted somewhere actually. Noise is coming absolutely fine. So last 10-15 minutes kadiyada. Okay, fine. So I will repeat again. I will repeat.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. All are here, sir.
Okay.
We are all waiting. We were waiting
Yes, sir.
for you, Satya.
No, I don't know how come I was keep on talking. I was speaking to the phone. Computer. I think.
Sometimes it happens in our online class also it happens.
Okay. So no.
What happened, Prithvi? Prithvi? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Prithvi, Shar says he was go on talking, but it was not conveyed to us.
No, sir. He was not in the meetings.
He was not in meeting. Acha.
No, sir.
Okay, I don't know. How come it went out? I don't know. That's fine. Absolutely fine. Last few minutes
Okay.
I was speaking only. I will just only I was speaking
Yeah.
about equity funds, large cap funds, and mid cap funds, and
Yeah.
small cap fund, flexi cap, multi cap, and bond funds, liquid funds, ultra short term fund, short term fund, income fund,
Okay.
and a medium term fund, gilt fund. Gilt fund means government securities.
Yeah, sir.
And gold fund. Suppose somebody
Yes.
says, I don't know where to invest. Index funds are available. They can invest in the index funds.
Yes, sir.
And there are funds are available, exchange traded funds. There also people can invest. And in mutual fund also index fund is available. But only very important is there. What is the risk appetite we can take? Whether low risk, medium risk, or moderate high, or high or very high risk. Which risk we want to take? Suppose somebody says, I know everything. So they can go directly to the equity and go to the direct options and mutual funds. But if they say, I don't know, then they have to go through the mutual fund, maybe the index fund or the active funds to get the return. So normally everybody has, whether salary class or self-employed, retirement, child education, child wedding, house and charity. So how to invest? Suppose they can put, retirement, how much they want to invest. For example, they can keep cash 5%, fixed income 15%, real estate 20%, gold 5%, mutual funds 25%, fixed deposits 20%, and also emergency fund 10%. For any emergency, I want to keep this fund for separately. So what will happen automatically? We never be disturbed even any eventualities. Like recently, because of the COVID, many people are having a lot of problems. So I tell them at least to keep, normally I tell them 12 months expenses. Now after the COVID, I'm telling them 24 months expenses I'm asking them to keep.
Yes.
So this is what I was discussing. And in the PowerPoint side, please tell me what was the last slide I was talking? Was this there before?
No, sir. Before that, sir. You were discussing about that tree, a kind of a tree which has some nests.
Rich Dad Poor Dad book, and then
Exactly. So you were talking about the nest.
investing at the early age.
Exactly.
This one.
Investing
this
at
one,
25 years,
exactly.
35 years, 8 crores, and
Correct,
that one.
sir.
Is it okay now? So what I was telling you, okay, fine. So can I take another 10 minutes? Is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So most of the wealth creation, even for the education, whatever we do, we should have the 100% faith. If we don't have the faith, what will happen? We will not be successful. Even for education, even for investment, we should have the faith. I know gold, it will perform. That is the same thing. If you think this nest we will be afraid how it is possible to build like a nest. We will have the doubt, is it possible whether the sparrow can create like this, whether the small bird can create like this. We should have the honest doubt. Faith exists only in the honest doubt. It should be, the doubt should be honest, because okay, it is possible. I will get good mark, definitely possible. These things are very important. So assume somebody bought in T Nagar or Besant Nagar or Anna Nagar 20 lakh rupee worth of apartment, 1000 square feet in 95. Today, which is worth for 1000 square feet into 12,000, which is 1.2 crore, with a rental income which is 10%. Without rental income, which will be 7%. With rental income, which is 10%. If the same, if they put it in a Sensex, Bombay Stock Exchange, it gave you, which is different return, 11.1%. If they put it in ICICI multi-cap, which is 6 crore, Franklin 13 crore, today which is 17 crore, because this is 2019 values. So where to invest? Because we are all middle income group. We want to buy an apartment. First or because so that we feel stable. That is where we don't create the wealth. Because apartment is also subject to market risk. Balanced fund is also subject to market risk. Equity fund is also market risk. And hybrid fund is also hybrid market risk. Even Vellam Vandadana, even the Valacheri will be selling at 30-40% discount. Today, flood comes in the market, market will also sell at 40% discount. But in market, it will come regularly. Because of that, we don't stay invested or we don't buy for a longer duration. Today, I invest 1 lakh, it will become 2 lakh. I put another 2 lakh, it will come to 1 lakh. That's a problem. So, if you see, the bond is tougher. This already discussed: overnight fund, ultra short-term fund, corporate dynamic bond fund, income fund, government securities. Because whenever the duration is more, government securities will be 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. Duration is very high. Because of the volatility will be very high. In 2013, when Subbarao, Reserve Bank of India governor, he increased the margin standing facility from 8% to 10%. That time, Government of India bonds corrected nearly 13%. 1 crore somebody invested, become 90 lakhs. Because bond prices and interest rate inversely related. One is going up, another is coming down. If bond price is coming down, interest will go up. So it's inverse relations. If somebody invested 5 lakh rupee in fixed deposit at the rate of 6%, he got 11 lakh rupee after 30% taxes after 20 years. If the same money invested in a banking and PSU or a bond fund 5 lakh at same 6%, he will get 15 lakh rupee because of tax efficiency. Because you can index it. Because of the indexation, you pay only 1 lakh rupee instead of 4 lakh rupee or 3 lakh rupee as the taxes. And here somebody invested, I will go to the large cap fund, the middle of the box. Somebody invested in Franklin blue chip fund. 1 year, 20 years before, they invested 1 lakh rupee, which is 18 lakh now. Somebody invested in HDFC large cap, today 19 lakhs. If they invested 25 years before, today which is 100 times, blue chip is 100 times, HDFC is 80 times. So that is the power of equity. But the T Nagar land, 50 lakh become only 5 crore, 95 versus today. Maybe Anna Nagar 30 lakh, today maybe 5 crore, 15 times. But whereas, if you see a large cap fund, minimally 50 times. That is the power of equity. But short term, it will confuse. Maybe somebody will say, I don't have money every lump sum, instead I can put every year. Somebody invested 1 lakh rupee every year for 20 years, that become 1.5 crore in Franklin Templeton. 20 lakh become 1.5 crore. ICICI long-term equity, 20 years, 1 lakh into 20 lakhs, which become 1.7 crore today, which is close to 2 crores. All this data belongs to 2019. Where to invest? That is very important. And as per your suitability, you have to invest. Somebody will say, sir, I'm engaged at 20 because I'm taking Reserve Bank classes. They say at the age of 25, I want to invest only short term, sir. I don't want to invest. So I will tell them, invest only for 10 years. Even invested 5 lakh rupee in PF, FT, gold, mutual funds, all are expected return. Even if it gives you 7% and 15%, it will become 96 lakhs. Even after return, it will become like, 50 lakhs. And then it will become 21 crores after 35 years. 25 to 35, 35 to 35 plus 25. At the age of, they get 60, they get 21 crore just by investing only 10 years. Our education system and also investment also same thing. At the age of retirement 70, they will give insurance. Like a teaching, I will ask a monkey to, go somewhere, asking elephant to climb the tree. Will that happen? So what happens, everybody is genius, but we have to chase our passion. Instead of chasing the passion, someone says, do engineering, we do engineering. That's the reason you see what happened last 10 years. We produced so many engineers, they are not getting the employment. Even if they went for only electrical, plumbing and all, they will be benefited more than actually completing the degree of engineering. Because without knowing what is required, we are doing. That is a system because of, parental, I don't know what is a system, or somebody did something, we wanted to do something. It doesn't matter how many resources we have. We have to use them properly. Use probably, if you want to learn, ask people will teach you. People will come and teach you. There are many people are there. They want to have the good mindset to come and teach you for free. They will give you share the knowledge. You can go and share to others. Opportunity, go to it. Because we never know how many times opportunity will come. It is your duty to seize the opportunity to win your life. Very, very important. It is so important. You have to seize the opportunity. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. Health is lost, something is lost. Character is lost, everything is lost. Nothing will be there with us. If you are asking me what is my success, is the third only. That third, character and ethical standard, improving my knowledge, which is keeping me alive. Path is complex and tough. If you want to follow the discipline for the path, it will be more tougher, but you will be more happier if you have your discipline. Invisible India, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, all nearly 30-40% are Asians, mostly Indians. Now HDFC and HDFC Bank and all, all are Indian controlled foreign bank. It is not Indian bank, it is all foreign banks. Only Indians are controlling. Now Reliance also slowly others are started to invest. Whether are we ready to take the benefit? I will tell you a small example. Hindustan Unilever. They have 67% promoter holding. They made 6,000 crore profit. Out of 6,000 crore, 67% will go to Unilever. We consume product, we buy every single product. Indians are using them, but out of the 6,000 crore, 4,000 crore plus will go to Unilever or Unilever from Hindustan Unilever. Gillette, same thing. 3M India, same thing. Like I can tell you many examples. Even HDFC also same thing. Who is owning? We are not owning. Somebody is buying. Now everybody is pouring money into India. Nama mela love and affection avangalukella. It is a business. So I request some small portion, invest in through mutual fund. I will not tell you invest direct, a small percentage, maybe 2%, maybe 5% or 10% or 20%, as per your wish. Invest in a quality schemes so that you will grow. Financial freedom will come. 1 lakh invest பண்ணது 95 ல இன்னைக்கு minimum 40 times. வேற எங்கேயும் அவ்வளவு ஆகல. வேற எங்கேயும் ஆகல. Even without doing anything, 1 lakh invested in 20 schemes, 5,000 போட்டுட்டு யார் கையில வச்சிருக்காங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. So it is very important, and thank you very much, and don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. And thank you very much. If any questions, you can put it in the chat box or you can ask me.
Now the forum is open for the Q&A. If the students have any questions, you can just chat it. You can post it in the chat box or you can raise the question. Do the students have any questions?
Students can raise any questions, ma'am.
Will it come to this chat box or where it will go? If they're putting in chat box,
it will appear on the screen, sir. Screen itself.
Okay.
It will be displayed.
Once if they put it in the chat box, it will appear here, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Gigi, if you have any doubts, yeah. Thank you, sir. Anishanu.
No doubt, sir.
It was a great
It's
experience.
really wonderful.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, they are thanking you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Yeah.
It's pleasure. You have to
Yeah.
carry this message.
And Bharat Sai is asking, what is the future of MCOM, sir?
It is excellent. It's very good. Actually, the future for everyone, not only for MCOM, I will tell you, whether it is MCOM or BCOM or MSc, Max or Science, the future is very, very bright for India. The intent here, we have to, gain the knowledge, not the certificate. Because I was attending one Samskrita Bharati program, spoken Sanskrit program, where they're actually, we get the certificate after attending. Suppose it is a spoken classes, if I don't speak after 10 days, that certificate is meaningless. Whether it is a PhD, whether it is a MCOM or whatever it is, MPhil, whatever we learned, we have to put it in use. Once we started to put it in use, that future is very, very bright, not a small future, I'm telling you. First thing, job of teaching is the precious. Teaching is really, respected across the world. We will remember all our teachers. Even today, we remember that is a precious job. So after MCOM, you wanted to pursue in the teaching, you can go for that. Is number one. If it is number two, if you feel that I want to go for the
MBA,
hello.
Yes.
Okay.
If you wanted to go for employment opportunity in the banks or insurance companies, again huge opportunity there. There you can go to NISM website, Amphi website. You can see lot of opportunity available within the mutual fund space also. They love to take, but end of the day we have to be equipped before getting in. So mere certificate will never help anyone. It is the entry point. Certificate is there, yes, respected very well. But only thing, mutual fund space, as a distributor, you can become a distributor, or you can work in the asset management companies or in the insurance companies, and also in the banking sector. It's a huge prospect is there. But only thing, we have to explore and fine tune ourselves. Nothing there, I did BCom only to get 400 rupees salary, because I want to be honestly admit that, because I have to pay my rent when I was studying, I have to pay my food, everything. So for me, the criteria is 400 rupees criteria. I have to want 400 rupees. I joined BCom. That was the main intention. So future is very bright. No need to worry at all. Even several companies are coming into India. Now they are not hiring engineering. They are all hiring a BCom and MCom.
Sir, Satyaji, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more student has asked me. One Pavan has asked me whether what about MBA? Those who have finished MBA, or any scope about MBA in several disciplines like finance, HR, and other things. What about those?
For example, BCom with MBA, MCom with MBA in the finance or maybe in the business management. What I said for the MCom, it is same thing applicable for them also. But only thing, they can go for a managerial side. That is number one. Now, addition to that, for example, somebody did HR, MBA in HR, human resources, MBA in other discipline. Still, it is respected more. Now, for example, somebody want to become a registered investment advisors, RIA they call.
Exactly.
There they say the professional degree is compulsory. Before even CFP and all certification accepted, now they say they should possess the MBA, so they can become there. And also the MBA means, mostly before we say MBA, it is for the management degree. They will manage the people.
Yes,
now, like engineering, everybody wanted to do MBA, and they preferred just having only MCom. For example, having MCom with MBA, MCom with some other focused area of discipline like mutual funds or anything, they are respected and regarded more.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can visit srikrishnamentra.com, KRISHMANTRA.com, and you will get a lot of inputs there also. It is a static website. My contact details are there. You can send me a mail anytime. You can send me, if any doubt, I can answer. how can we plan our retirement plan, sir? Surya Prakash. Is a student or a professor?
Yeah, student, sir.
No,
Student.
student.
Excellent. Hats off to you, Surya Prakash. It is a question, very good question, what Surya Prakash is asking, how to retirement. Because at the age of 17, 18, asking for retirement is very good. I will go back to Excel again. Surya Prakash, for your benefit and others' benefit, I want to share this again, the Excel. Is it visible, Excel?
Yes, sir.
It's coming.
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
For example, today he is 18 years. At the age of 60, retirement means assume he will be retiring at 60. Assumption.
Yes, yes, sir.
42 years there, even if he started to save only 6,000 rupees per annum, assume he gets 12%. Assumption only I put 12% because
Yeah,
the period is very huge.
Very huge. 42 years. So,
This will become 68 lakhs.
ah,
Just paying 6,000 rupees per annum. If they put 12,000 rupees at 12%, just saving only 1,000 rupees per month. Assume what market delivered. 1,000 is highest risk they can take. Market delivered more than 18%. Can you believe this?
ah, huge, sir. Wow.
I will tell you what is HDFC equity fund delivered. I will show that to you now. It is 26 years now. Instead of 42, it is only 26. 12,000 saved every month. It's delivered.
For 20%.
This is what it delivered. 1,000 rupees saved every month. Now it is 78 lakhs.
Ah, ah.
Which is there. If you want, I will show you. I will show so that the people will believe, end of the day. That is very important.
No, we trust you, sir.
No, not trusting me. What I want to tell here, that belief will come automatically once the
Exactly.
belief comes. So they can see what happened in the system.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this?
Yeah, we are able to see.
I'm not recommending this scheme. Just I'm showing how it performed. Like, 10,000 per month, 1,20,000 per year.
Yes, sir.
It become 1 lakh. After 1 year, it become 1 lakh, 20% down. You put 2,40,000, it become 1,75,000. You put 3,60,000, it become 3,42,000. He's adding every year 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
He's adding 1,20,000. He's adding every year.
Every year.
After 26 years, it become 31 lakh, which was 7 crore 81. This is as of 2020. Now another 5%. You can see what is the return it delivered, 20.2%. How many people invested? So that is very important. That's what I'm putting. I put 19.5. It is like 20.2 what they show here.
Ah,
This is what it delivered, return.
return.
So very, very important for retirement. Thank you for asking this question. You have to have the discipline to save for retirement and keep it for longer duration. Very, very important. Suppose putting money in bank FD, I will put here. Assume somebody put the money in bank FD, same 12,000 rupees. If the banks gives you 6%, assume no taxes, you will get this much. The same money if you invested in public provident fund, those who want to be very, very safe, public provident fund, assume it gives you 7.4%, you make 11 lakh more by investing in PPF. Here it is taxable, this is tax free. This is tax free. FD, EPF or PPF. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Any questions?
Tarak Eshwaran is asking, what are some good websites for personal finance basis?
If it is a mutual fund per se, if it is a mutual funds, you want to learn what is mutual fund, go to amphiindia.com. Amphi, AMFI, India.com. In the Bombay Stock Exchange, bseindia.com, nseindia.com, both you will learn about the NSE and BSE stock exchanges. SEBI is the government body, Securities Exchange Board of India. You will learn about the regulations and all. But you want to learn what is the return, all these things you can see, Money Control, Value Research, Morningstar, many websites are available. You put any one single company, HDFC FlexiCam, it will throw you everything in the Google.
Sir, she is also one of the staff members, sir. Jayanti ma'am, Dr. Jayanti ma'am. She is appreciating the session was really.
Thank you very much.
Sir, how about the commodities market? We know it's very risky, and the returns are very high, and the risk is also very high. Is there any systematic way to invest in the commodities market, like gold, crude oil, and all?
Gold is a metal, actually. Crude, everything. Because of the size of the investment is very high in the commodity. So normally this is also excellent question. What do you do, Mr. Santosh?
No, sir. I'm Gnanasekharan, one of the staff members.
No. Gigi, some student has asked one question. Adha patti pesittu irukkaru. Unga question thirumma.
I'm asking only Mr. Gnanasekharan. Okay.
Gnanasekharan, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm one of the colleagues of Mr. Satya, sir.
Fine.
Yeah. So the question I asked is about the commodities market, whether we can invest any long term in the commodities market, like crude oil, natural gas, and copper. Like
I will tell you one thing. Suppose if you want to buy I think you have to unmute someone.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. So it's again a very, very valid question. Time of the hour, people markets from 40 to 50,000. It came down to 27, back to 52,000. Gold actually performed like, after the Chinese war with America, it welled up trade war because of the trade war and COVID, gold move up. And we see whenever the performance happens, we want to buy. But that too, when you buy, for example, you have 100 rupee you have in your hand, you are buying gold. The gold moves up 20%, 100 will become 120. Suppose if the gold falls 10%, 100 will become 90. Assume in the commodity market or anything crude or anything, you buy the value for 10 lakh by giving only 1 lakh. Correct?
Yeah.
Then what will happen when 10 lakh falls 10%, your 1 lakh is wiped out. You leverage it 10 times.
Yeah.
So which is dangerous, please don't do that.
Yeah, sure.
Not to do that at all, because we want to first create the wealth. Our creation of the wealth, anything derivatives. If you want to go back, I will go back and show in the Excel. I don't know what is the time frame. I will go back to the Excel. I will show you how the impact will be there. Again, it is very simple. Assume invested, I will put 10 lakh rupee. Assumption 10% you are going to get.
It is not visible, sir. Excel sheet is not visible, Satyaji.
Excel not visible?
Not visible, sir.
Okay. Is it visible now?
No, sir, not yet. Yeah, it's now it is. We got it, sir.
So assume 10 lakh rupee invested, any metal, you can talk any commodity. I will put commodity, even the futures, anything we can call. So 10% assumption is the return is going to come. You invested complete cash, you gave full cash, you bought 10 lakh rupee. Assume after 1 year, assumption after 1 year, how much you make this into
12%.
So you made 11 lakh rupee. Assume you invested 10 lakh rupee, fully you gave cash. When market performs 10%, you made 10%. Assume market is correcting, you gave full percent, instead of 10% profit, you made loss, you are getting 9 lakhs back. Assume you are giving 20% margin. 20% margin means you gave only 2 lakh rupee, you paid 2 lakh cash, you bought the same asset you bought. There you paid the full cash. First example, second example, that example you gave only 2 lakh rupee, 20% margin கொடுத்த 50,000 கொடுத்துட்டு they will buy for 10 lakhs. That is where the problem. So assume you are making 10%, this 10 lakh will become 11 lakh. Okay, how much you are getting? You get 1 lakh, 50% profit you got. You gave 2 lakh rupee, you got 1 lakh rupee profit. You got my point, what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
11 lakh minus 10 lakh rupee. So the investment of 2 lakh rupee, you made 11 lakh rupee. Assume your margin is only 50,000 rupees. If your margin is only 50,000 rupees, you made how many percent? You made 200%. This divided by this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You made 200% profit. Here you made 50% profit. Which is best here?
200 is
10
best.
lakh. After investing 10 lakh, you got 11 lakh.
Yeah.
Okay. 10 lakh investments, you got 11 lakh, 10% return you made. Here you made 10 lakh loss, 10% loss. Second one is the 2 lakh you gave, you made 50% profit because you are getting 1 lakh as the gain. Assume here it drove 50,000 kuduthu, they gave the collateral of 10 lakh rupee 50,000 margin. You made 11 and it is like a 200% profit you are making. Out of 50,000, 1 lakh extra kadaikiradhu.
Yeah.
But at the
it's
same
very
time,
high risk. Very high risk.
very high risk. For example, even
Yeah.
market is falling 5%, your money is gone.
Yeah.
This
In
is
fact,
the reason.
Yeah.
This is the reason many people will lose money, which is not advisable at all.
In fact, we have been doing with the 10,000 rupees some 10 years back. It was very, very high risk. At the
If
time
we-
only the gold. At the time only the gold saw the historical low, 17,000 something.
No, whenever market moves up, no, automatically all these things will come up. But ignore all those things.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, somebody is asking Santosh investing for 3 months in SIP. How many years I need to
Correct.
continue? Mutual fund investment, even lump sum or SIP, minimum 10 years for equity funds. Bond fund minimum 3 years. That is what I suggest.
Yes,
They
sir.
have to keep for 10 years to see a reasonable return. Otherwise, 1 year return will give you 40% or it will show you 30% negative. But in a 10 years, they can see a reasonable return they can expect in equity or hybrid equity funds. Any other
You got it,
questions?
sir. Yeah. CB ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yeah. CB ma'am. CB ma'am. Shall we over to CB ma'am? Prithvi? Kana Prithvi? CB ma'am.
Yes, sir,
Shall we
I'm
move
there.
on to the next?
வந்துட்டாங்க.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's.
Now,
Is there any queries
we
now?
call upon Professor CB to give a vote of thanks for the
Okay,
session.
it's my pleasure, sir. Hi, by the way, good evening, everyone. I'm Bhuvaneshwari. I have been here to present the vote of thanks for today's webinar. My hearty thanks goes to the resource person, Mr. Satyanarayanan Yanmantiram, for joining us and enlightening us with his knowledge. Today's webinar was interesting and full of knowledge. It gave us a deep insight into the topic of financial literacy and freedom. I would also like to thank our secretary, Sri Ashok Kumar Mudraji, principal, Captain Santosh Babu sir, and our head of the Department of Commerce, Professor Sheshadri Nathan sir, for giving us the permission to organize this webinar. I would also like to thank all the professors for the gracious presence. My special thanks also goes to Prithvi from Taxation and Finance for helping us in this streaming process. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank all the students who have participated in this webinar and making it as a grand success. Hope everybody enjoyed this program, and over to Satya sir. Sir, it was an enlightening
you.
program, sir. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you very much. Thank you for giving the opportunity.
Thank you, Satyaji. Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for the valuable session, valuable
With pleasure.
speech.
With pleasure. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Very
Thank
much
you very
enlightening.
much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's nice. Thank you, sir.